Well, good evening, Commissioners. I want to thank all of you for taking on this chore. Certainly I'm happy to hear what you're indicating in terms of what your priorities would be, because I think that it's important to have counties and communities of interest together, and I think it's important to ignore which politicians live where. Obviously, there will be some changes in the districts, and that's going to require an election in 2012 that will put people in Boise that appropriately represent the interests of those particular districts. And it will require the forging of some new relationships, and that's always a nice opportunity. So I like the direction that you're going, and I think looking at it from a representative's point of view, the community of interest is really important, because we like to minimize the situations where any vote that you do is going to make half as many people angry as happy. So anyway, I'm glad about the direction you're headed. I have 3 letters here to represent, and one is mine, one is from the City of Moscow, and one is from the County Commissioners. And they all pretty much say the same thing. It has been something of a dream to have Legislative District 6 be exactly Latah County, because it's a great relationship that it affords the opportunity for us to work with the county commissioners and the county prosecutor and county clerk and find out what is important for us to do in Boise to represent the interests of our county. The University of Idaho is really the backbone of Latah County. It provides over half of the employment, and there are individuals in all the small communities throughout the county that work at the University of Idaho and come to Moscow regularly for their jobs. The mayor has signed a resolution indicating what the City of Moscow would like to see done, and since it is a resolution, it has a lot of those whereases in it that you probably don't have to hear, because you know all of them already.
I assure you we will read it.
But I will get down to some things that I think are important. And another common thread, besides the fact that we like to have Latah County whole, we do have to grow because we don't have enough people there anymore. And the common thread is that we would like to bond with Benewah County. So one of the whereases points out that we're connected by a recently improved highway with Benewah County. The Idaho Horizons and the University of Idaho within Latah County and Moscow city limits has a strong working relationship with a community of interest in the Coeur d'Alene tribe. And the Idaho Horizons program and Building Sustainable Communities initiative established the name Better Together to refer to their partnership with that community. And in 2010, the University of Idaho earned the Outreach Scholarship W.K. Kellogg Foundation Engagement Award for the Western U.S. region and was one of 5 national finalists for the C. Peter Magrath University Community Engagement Award for its partnership with the Coeur d'Alene tribe and the Benewah communities of Plummer, Tensed, and DeSmit. And there's more, but that was signed by the mayor. I attended the meeting where they discussed this, and the vote was not unanimous, although the dissension pretty much came from whether or not it was appropriate for the City Council to communicate with the Commission on this issue, but most people thought that it would be. And Susan Peterson, our county clerk, has already represented to you that the county commissioners would like to have Latah County be whole and would like to explore bonding with Benewah County as a legislative district. And I think I can safely represent that we would embrace getting as much reservation land there and enjoy forging that relationship further with the Coeur d'Alene tribe. I think that's all I can leave the letters that outlines the highlights.
Thank you, Representative Ringo. Questions, Commissioners? Thank you very much.